at Goodwill and I'm thrifting.
Something so dear. Conversations on the phone till the break of dawn. I know they did not lead anywhere, but to know that you still care meant more to me than you could think. Sometimes I swear I'm on the brink. If I could change one thing, I would be a better man. If I could change one thing, I would be a better man.
So I just got back from traveling around New York. I was at NYU for an info session, and then I went to Goodwill to thrift, and then my sisters and I went to Ktown to eat lunch, and then we went to a boba place and then went home. I just wanted to show you guys what I got at the thrift store. So yeah, the Goodwill near NYU is actually really tiny, and also didn't have a lot of selections, but I surprisingly found two nice pieces. The first thing is actually this NYU racerback tank top that's Nike. We actually saw this at the NYU bookstore, surprisingly. Then we saw it at Goodwill after, and it still had the tag on it, but I kind of ripped it off. Based on this, it says that it's like $30 or something. So yeah, I got it for $2. It was on sale because of the green tag, whatever that meant. I think it meant like 40% off. So yeah, it's a really nice shirt, not gonna lie. I'm actually really excited to wear this, especially during tennis season since it's pretty hot these days. So yeah. Second and last piece that I got, which I think was a pretty good steal other than that one, is this denim jacket that I got from High Heels Suicide. The quality of this denim is beautiful. It was $15, by the way. It's a little oversized, and it has inner pockets over here on both sides and also outer pockets, but the outer pockets are like sealed in, so I might just rip it off with a seam ripper. It also has this text in the back that I can't really understand. So yeah, but it's really pretty and I love it. I can't wait to actually wear this, especially when it gets a little chilly in the fall maybe, or in the spring, or in the summer nights if I actually go out, which I don't, by the way. I had a lot of fun today, and also, as you've seen, I dyed my hair blue. This is actually the last time I'll be dyeing my hair, because after this, like after it grows out in probably December or something like that, I'm gonna go back to brown, because my hair is actually really damaged and I need it to breathe for a good while, even though I really want to color my hair more. So that is pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed our little trip to NYU. I'm very tired, so I'm gonna go like take a long shower because I spent the entire day outside and I feel like I smell bad. But I'll see you guys in my next video, and I hope you all keep growing. Bye!
같은 밤들 속에